All right, everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to Prices of the Month. Yes, here I do a price list every month based upon your budget. Now, this price list today will be on the Ryzen 5 9600X. It is a budget office clerical system, not a gaming system. Now, if you want to make it a gaming system, only thing you have to do is add is your designated graphic processing unit and just play the best games you like to play from AAA and esports. If you need more horse in the hood, this not for you, then you could go ahead on and change out the motherboards and add your designated graphic card and change the processor and upgrade your RAM. Now, just like I said, this is only a basic office clerical build based upon your budget. Now, let's get right into it because I'm excited. Alrighty, just like I said, the parts we are using are the Ryzen 5 9600X, 3.9 gigahertz, 6 cores, 12 threads, coming in at $279. This is a 65 watt processor, but if you update your BIOS, you can go ahead and use a full 105 watt thermal design power added increase into the BIOS. But if you want to keep it at 65 watts, which is a good basic system for that, so you cannot go wrong with that there. This processor, just like I said, come at $279. The cooler is the ID Cooling SE903 XT 445.8 CFM CPU cooler. Great CPU cooler. Thermal design power handling is 130 watts. It will keep your processor cool, not bottlenecking, not being sluggish, not overheating. So yes, ID Cooling SE903 XT will keep your processor at its coolest at no issues. And this palm cooler comes at $14.99. The motherboard is the Gigabyte B650M D3HP Micro ATX AM5 motherboard, coming in at $109.99. The memory is the Kingston Fury B 16 gigabytes, two 8 gigabyte sticks, DDR5 at 5600 megahertz, CL36 memory. Why I'm using 5600? Because it's like I said, it's an office clerical, not a gaming. So 5600 and 5800 is the great idea speed for basic office clerical internet browsing PCs. This in memory coming at $54.99. The M.2 is the Kingston NV2 1TB M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 NVMe. Yes, the motherboard, the B650M D3HP, is PCIe Gen 4, so you got no issues with that. This M.2 come in at $56.99. The case I'm using is the GameMax M60 all mesh open micro ATX case. You're gonna have a mesh on the back side, you have a mesh on the front side. This case supports up to 3 120mm fans. It supports up to 2.5 SATAs and 3.5 SATAs. So if you're interested in this case, this is a great case for build. It comes in at $42.93, and you can get it off Newegg. The power supply is the EVGA 600 watt W1 600 watt 80 plus certified ATX power supply. Now y'all keep in mind, when you do an office clerical build, you use only 80 plus white or a non-modular efficient power supply, non-modular, non-efficient power supply, or you can use a modular efficient power supply, whatever you want to use. Make sure it's 80 plus white. Now, if you're not power hungry and you see the system is not power hungry, it is 172 watts total, so you're not overclocking it for no reason need, just to go ahead and do typing, spreadsheets, etc. with this system. So this power supply works with this system, and this power supply comes in at $47.99. The fans are Thermarite TL C12CX3 Airspeed is 66.17 CFM, 120 millimeter fans, and this is a 3-pack fans. And you get this fans for $13.19. Now y'all know y'all need to power those 3 fans. So you're gonna need a fan controller hub. I am teaming with the Thermarite TL fan hub controller fan controller for $7.59. The whole total of this build here is $627.66. Now, for me, I didn't add the keyboard nor the mouse because I don't know what type keyboard you want to use. I like using membranes and mechanicals. I like using membranes combos. For me, mechanicals is not out, but if you are a mechanical field type person, you like to hear all that click clacking as you typing, then you add a mechanical, you add your mouse, and the monitor I left off because I don't know if you want to go 32-inch, 43-inch, or 27-inch. So I'm gonna leave those 3 items, the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse, for you to pick out. So just like I said, the total of this build is $627.66. And that concludes the price list of the month. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any comments, post your comments below. Just like I said, I didn't add a designated GPU because I am not building a gaming rig here. I'm gonna let gamers who wants to get into gaming play those hardcore titles from AAA and esports. Y'all enjoy building your gaming system using the parts that you recommend or for somebody else. But on a tight budget, this works for you. Alrighty, just like I said, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.